Welcome to the Stock Planner channel. This channel focuses on recognizing change and making a plan to adapt to that change and, of course, make a profit. Using a repeatable swing trade strategy in order to make some money. We place both long-term and short-term, and we place long and short trades. We use the RSI and the MACD indicators as well as risk management in order to achieve our goal of making money. We use both functional and technical analysis in order to make this happen. Functional, which means knowing what you're buying and selling, and technical, which you look for alerts and signals to take a trade. And we believe that by planning out your trade, you'll make money. A simple plan is better than a perfect plan, and it's best to get started and start practicing and making money. Now today, we're going to talk about Plug Power, PLUG. They're a company that produces green hydrogen for stationary power and for mobility, which includes trucks and forklifts. I've seen the hydrogen-powered forklifts in grocery stores, Walmart, and other businesses. Now, I want to caution, I do not know that much about this technology, and I'm learning it. I'm putting this out there so that maybe somebody has more knowledge than I do. Green stocks are going to be important for the next decade, and I want to be involved in that, so I need to learn it, and this is my first step. This is a slide from the Plug Investors Relations. And basically, they have a power plant that produces liquid hydrogen. This is a map of all the service stations and refueling stations that they have throughout the United States. And they're projected more every day. I imagine this is a generator for a stationary hydrogen-powered power plant. And finally, that they're trying to use hydrogen for trucks, buses, and they're well on their way for this technology. Now, in general, Plug Power is an alternative energy technology provider. It engages in the design, development, and manufacture of fuel cell systems for industrial off-road markets worldwide. The company was founded in 1997 and is based in New York. They're hoping to replace fuel cells. Plug develops hydrogen forklifts and sells them to various different centers. Plug is not currently profitable, but their sales growth is growing, and they are going to increase their earnings in the next fiscal year, according to them. Plug is rated an overall buy by several analysts. The question of how to power green vehicles has not been proven. Is it a battery or is it going to be hydrogen? I think everybody should have some green stocks in their portfolio. It's going to be a player for this next decade. This is a FinViz chart for Plug. As you can see, since May, it has been on a steadily upward trend. It has been moving. In the last couple of days, we've had a little dip, and I'll explain why in just a little while. Plug is currently trading at $23.23. It has a target price of $21.93. So it's not expected to move much at the moment. Plug is optional shortable and has a buy recommendation. It has nothing in the PE or the forward PE, so therefore this company is not profitable. It does have a book value, so there is some value to this company. Today, I received a signal from my RSI that said to short this stock. This is why I'm analyzing this stock today. My alert program for RSI gave me 3 signals. CVS, and that's because of Amazon doing some pharmaceutical deliveries. NEO, which got a bad report on Monday. And Plug. I have a spreadsheet that tracks energy and green energy, and we can see Plug Power, and the current is 23.22. That's the current today. And out of back testing it. I received $13. This is for 2 trades. Excuse me. It's for 14 trades, and each trade it didn't make any money, and the percentage of winners is 57%. Backtesting plug is not proven to be very lucrative, so I'm not all engaged in this. Plug does not seem to do very well using the RSI. Today, Plug Power got a massive money injection, so tomorrow it may go up in value and price. So be careful about shorting. Even though my system says short, I'm going to stay away from this stock today. But Plug is definitely on my watch list, and I'm going to continue learning about hydrogen and hydrogen fuel. Thanks for watching. We'll get better as we go along. Please like and share.